What is web development? Have you noticed that almost everything today happens on a website? Shopping, learning, watching videos, even AI tools. But have you ever wondered how these websites are created? That process is called web development. Web development is the process of building and maintaining websites and web applications. Any website you open in a browser, Google, YouTube, Instagram, is built using web development technologies. Front-end development is what users see and interact with. It includes text, images, buttons, colors, and animations. Front-end uses three main technologies: HTML for structure, CSS for design, JavaScript for interaction. When you click a button and something happens, that's front-end at work. Build the user interface UI. Create the visual elements and layout of a site or app. Ensure user experience. Make the interface easy to navigate, intuitive, and visually appealing. Develop responsiveness. Ensure the design works well on different screen sizes, desktops, tablets, phones. Implement interactivity. Use JavaScript to make elements functional and dynamic. Backend development works behind the scenes. It handles user login and sign up, data processing, server logic. For example, when you log into a website, the backend checks your details and sends a response. Backend is built using languages like JavaScript, Python, and Java. Core components and responsibilities. Server-side logic, writing code that runs on the server to process requests, manage business rules, and control data flow. Database management, designing, creating, and interacting with databases, SQL NoSQL, to store, retrieve, and update data. API development, building application programming interfaces, APIs, for the front end and other apps to communicate with the server and database. Server and infrastructure, managing servers, ensuring performance, scalability, and uptime, often using cloud services. Security, implementing authentication, authorization, and data encryption to protect sensitive information. Runtimes, Node.js, Bun for JavaScript. Websites also need a database to store information. User data, posts, comments, and passwords are saved in databases like MySQL or MongoDB. Without databases, websites cannot remember users. Why web development is important. Web development powers social media platforms, online shopping websites, blogs, portfolios, and AI tools. It helps build personal websites, portfolios, and income sources. Web development is crucial for establishing an online presence, building brand credibility, reaching a global audience, and driving business growth. Enhanced user experience and integration with digital marketing. It's the backbone of digital interaction, turning websites into functional, accessible, and engaging platforms for customers to connect with businesses, make purchases, and find information easily. Web development is the backbone of the internet. If you enjoy creativity and problem solving, this skill can change your future. This is web development. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech content.